just hit 3 dynamites on the second spin, threw $100 in there. Actually, that's more of the fourth spin, but who am I to blame? We're gonna check it out. Oh, all those wilds that went in there. Ah, one more. I didn't mean to do a fast spin on that one, but I'm glad I did. Made a good 50. Last spin, 6 trains, I mean. So we got 147 in there. We'll probably do a few more $2 spins. Make sure not to count on another one. 20 cents. One more spin, that's it. Been crazy if we would have got it yet. Subscribe.